Hi, this is Niki Black. I am in New Orleans at the Louisiana Solo and Small Firm Conference. I'm here today with my good friend Ernie Svenson. Ernie is an attorney and he's also the Paperless law office guru and provides consulting services for lawyers that are trying to go paperless. And I wanted to talk to Ernie about Paperless today. So how you doing, Ernie?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
No, my pleasure. Thanks for being with us. What I want to ask you first is, what are the top questions you often hear from lawyers, especially solos and smalls that are thinking of going paperless?
Well, the first one I always hear is like, isn't it impossible to be paperless? And my answer is yes, and that's not the goal. The goal is not to eliminate every scrap of paper. The goal is to be more efficient, and to be more efficient, you have to have less paper. And how much less paper, it depends on your practice, but over time you want to get rid of as much of it as possible in the sense of not relying on it as your client file. So, once they understand, okay, I don't have to get rid of every piece of paper, it's about being sensible and not dogmatic. Then their questions are things like, what papers do I need to keep, wills and promissory notes, what stuff should I keep, how do I manage it, things like that.
Okay, so once you've gotten them over that hurdle of deciding to go paperless, what are your top 3 tips to help them achieve that goal?
I would say that the top 3 things are, number 1, you have to scan, obviously, because you're going to get paper from people. So the trick is to get the right scanner, and for a long time it used to be, well, I don't know what scanner to get, there's a bunch of choices. There's really only one choice if you're serious about being paperless, and that's the Fujitsu ScanSnap, or something maybe that's equivalent to that. But the thing about it is it's not just the scanner, it's also the software. And so the Fujitsu ScanSnap has been around for the longest period of time. The most number of people use it. It comes bundled with Adobe Acrobat software, which is very useful. So getting the right scanner, and that is the right scanner, the one that costs $400. You find it on Amazon, you get that one. Then the trick is all this information that you have now that's not in paper is going to be in PDF format. So you need to make your skills in handling PDFs equivalent and better than your skills in handling paper, because a PDF is like a piece of paper, except it does more than paper.
Right.
And if you're challenged with manipulating PDFs and working with them, you're not going to like it. And so you have to replace all your paper skills in the PDF world, which is really easy to do. And then you're going to find there's even more things you can do with PDFs. So those are the first 2. And then after that, it's like, one of the big benefits of being paperless is you don't have to go to the office to get your files. So to make that happen, now that you've digitized everything, you have to embrace some kind of cloud storage solution, and there's a lot of them out there, and you just have to get over all these questions the lawyers have about the security and privacy issues. But it's all solved. It's all been solved. So you just have to ask the right questions for the right people. They'll tell you the answers. And once you embrace the cloud and you've got all of your stuff in PDF format, your life is going to be a lot better. So those are the top 3.
Well, thanks. Those are some really good tips, really useful. I appreciate your time. And this is Niki Black. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.